It does like a different beep. So this is part 2 of the pre-quiz. And you've got 35 kilograms. You know, if they just hang these ropes the right way, you know, 56 degrees. If they just get it straight, 34 degrees. What's this angle right here? 56. No, that doesn't add up to. No, it does. Adds up to 90. Isn't this a 90-degree angle? Is that 90 degrees? Is that a right angle?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it is. I think you can use that to like not use matrices, but let's just go ahead. Let's pretend we didn't see that, right? So what's the first thing we do? Fine. Yeah, set up the equations. We've got to calculate, I think, the weight of this guy, right? So 35 times 9.81, 343.35 is straight down, right? Right? And then we've got a force this way. We know this guy's going to be the big force. This guy's going to be the smaller force. So it's got a component like this. Right? We got a component like this. Oh wait, yeah, that's the big force. This is the smaller force. There we go. And then this is C and D, right? And so we have minus C cosine 34 plus D cosine 56. In other words, these components here, right? Right, so these two guys add up to 0. And then this side here, this is C sine 34. D sine 56. And so we've got C sine 34 plus D sine 56. Right, equals 343.35. And then the matrix is and then we can, I'm just going to type these into Excel. Let's enable the macros, shall we? Cos D. I wrote my own macro. I don't think they can see the screen very well. I wrote my own macro that does, because Excel seems to be permanently in radians. So this one's a degree one. Is that right? Is that right? Equals. Are we good? Sine D 34. And we got 0 and those are right answers. Yay. It's magic. Poof. Right, so the answer, if this is the matrix A and this is the matrix B, the answer is just A inverse B. Strangely, I think this stuff's harder than setting up in one dimension a Newton's law thing. But we definitely do better on this pre-quiz than the other one. So the other stuff must be harder, right? So if the pre-quiz last time didn't reflect what you want to get on the test, then do what you need to do to be able to understand those problems, inclined plane problems, not so much pulley problems. I'm not going to put on the test, but definitely all those things, a force this way, a force that way, kind of a thing. Get to the point where that's what you want to see on a test score.